Hello everyone. In this video we would like to edit an image. It means to clean an image and remove all black dots and whatever is on page, and to make this image whiter and smooth. So to edit this using Photoshop, let's first of all open our Photoshop. After opening Photoshop, we will open that image that we want to edit. So let's press Ctrl O and let's select this image. So first of all we would like to just crop this image. Okay, we will take just the face of this boy. So to select that, let's press this crop option, okay, on tools. After pressing crop option, so let's select 3 4 in 4, okay, 4 in 4 inch, and now let's crop it. We'll just crop this area. Okay, now you use arrow keys to make it up and down. It is okay, press enter. So we have cropped our image. So now let's use first of all to increase the light of this image. So to increase the light of this image, we will use press Ctrl plus M. Ctrl M, you see this curve in the middle. By moving it up, it will increase the light in the image. By moving it down, it will decrease light in the image. So it is okay. Now let's press OK. So after that, let's remove these black areas, okay, black dots and scar, whatever is on page, we will remove them. So for removing them, so we will move here to the stump tool, okay, see this stump tool, press this one, then come here and select this blur one, okay. After selecting the blur one, press enter. So after that, see the size of brush is small right now, so by using brackets we will increase the size of the image. And after that, so to remove this area, we will first of all select, for example, this, we want to apply this color on this black dots, okay, in this black area. So for that, first of all we will select this area. So to select that, for that use Alt plus your mouse button, okay, press your mouse button. So after that, just tap it here, okay. Alt plus select this area. Use the same technique to remove all dots from page, okay. And also if you want to remove this image, just tick this area, Alt plus your mouse button, and select here, that has removed. And also let's take this area, remove this one also. Let's select this area. So using this technique, you can remove all dots and scars, whatever black areas on face is, you can remove them. So now we want to clean our image, okay. So to clean this image, we will move to this image tab, and after that come here to the adjustment, and the adjustment come here to the replace color. Press this option, see this pop-up has opened for us, we can drag it. So now let's decrease the size of our image, like Control minus. So after that, let's now select this preview option on, and then select the image. So after selecting the image, let's press this, the middle one, this plus sign. So after selecting that, now let's move, and which color you want to apply on that, okay. We want to apply, for example, this color, okay. Select this area. So after selecting this area, so now let's move it to the right side for 3-4 points, and also let's move it to the right size, how much you want see the image. See, you see the live preview, okay. Decrease it, see the preview, and increase it. It looks like this now. And also let's mix it. It looks like this now. So now let's press OK. So our image looks like this. So to clean it more, using brush, so for that, first of all let's select this brush, okay. See this option on tool, that eyedropper tool, okay. Select this one. After that, select the color you want to apply on your image, okay. Let's, for example, we want to select this color. After selecting this color, now come here and select the brush. Okay, after selecting the brush, now let's select here again the blur option. Okay, and press option and make the opacity 15% for example, or 20%. So after making that, let's increase the size of our brush by brackets. After increasing the size of brush, let's use it on our image. See the image, see the changes on our image. So just use it. Let's decrease the size of our brush. So you can do like this, okay, which areas you want, so you can select those areas and change the color of those areas. Let's also change this area. So this is how we cleaned our image. Let's clean this area also. And also now we will just change the color of eyebrows. Okay, so to change these eyebrows, so for that we will come here to select the burn tool. Okay, select this burn tool. After selecting it, let's increase the size of our brush and we will use it here. See how it is. Just make the eyebrows okay how you want, so you can make them like that. It looks like this. Okay, you can change the color of these hairs also. So it was all about image cleans. Okay, and let's check it the previous image. This is the previous image. Okay, and let's check it the new image that we has cleaned. Okay, so now let's save it. So to save it, let's press on file, save as, and let's select as cleaned image and select GPG or GP, whatever format you want. So save. So the image has saved. Let's select it. Okay, let's check it now. Okay, so this is our new image. Okay, just the quality was low, the image, so but the image has cleaned. Okay, let's check it now with the previous one. Okay, so this is the difference between these two images that you see. So it was all about to clean the image using Photoshop. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.